As celebrated across the globe, Manipur too celebrated International Women's Day under the theme Invest in Women, Accelerate Progress. The Social Welfare Department organized the celebration at the Auditorium Hall of Directorate of Information and Public Relations (DIPR) at Kaishampat. Delivering his speech, Social Welfare Minister Haikam Dingo held the role of women, stating that it cannot be described by words alone. Speaking on the role of Manipur women, Dingo said the courage of Manipur women and its contribution to Manipur's history needs no introduction, and added that today women's contribution to the present crisis is immense. Acknowledging the role of women, Prime Minister Narendra Modi introduced many schemes exclusively for women, he added. Chairperson of Manipur State Women Development Corporation, Sagolsem KB, who also attended the program, said amid the call for women's empowerment, it is often women who are looked down on other women. Women cannot progress unless they work together after shedding their differences. She stated that to build a healthy society, home, or bring about a substantial change, women's contribution is immense.
Women empowerment, we am low, nobody am low. Don't do what we say. The thing that Nupi Hunter, but say a queen of Panga doesn't put them down in there, Hunter, but chance, a queen must enter at the Tobune. I don't give me. I did a grace Pina was the Tina Chang name behind her, Queen of Pima's handed. I do not wait, see you are close, but why not? I see you with a sticky hurricane to be a missing a quick number says he and a queen. Mayam se thaduk mina bahana sigi wa clone se hana lap thokan ba mai han na draga oi ha pasima ai maru oina thamjani ni atwalam dam sibu chawkhana na ba purak pada ekhoi nupi gi achoba thongdang yamna darkar oi.
Social Welfare Director Ngangom Uttam urged women to use their power to bring positive change in the society.
Aigi ipuroi bada or in-laws da aidi imana ipana sembirakpani aduna aigi tolom sidagi 5% di 10% di aigi imagi ipagi maintenance ki hidalang thaki leina bagi pini haina phom haibu ngambam change thaina gi mapam da paisa thaire adu tawle lila drama da otpa nei ba chai ba yauri bado masi thaiba natte aibu sembirakpagi aigi payback ni aigi tobom thopani aigi duty ni haina piba hoba ma change Mama mapa singsina khali zikaino ichanupa haili maram kaikino nupi singsina mayum loina pangaga hanna yenatra kanda khoina hanura kanda chaishu oi hogaduisi ichanupa ni haiba khakki adugi mindset tuna ichanupa luna tawrine aduna sagi nupi tuna su mana matik chaba mi mamam oira kanda mapagi mamagi thagi maintenance allowance pirakani haibagi achepa thajabado leiragadi mana tharaiba paisa duna mi mani aga helper mani aga hingba yaina aigi hidawa langthawala kanda leiba yaina haiba concept sila kanda burden ni haibagi concept to tolakani aduna sumaina matik chaba mi mamam oibiraba matungda aigi imagi ipagi tobam thokpani haibase yamna transparent leina in-laws ki family khangna aigi tobom thokpani haina tawinaraga aseng ba tung koiba obong ba tung koiba empowerment doi lakani na thajase.